Today we discuss about the important aromatic crop, the lemon. See the image of lemongrass. This is a lemongrass. Then today we discuss about the first introduction, then uses, soil and climate, variety, propagation, planting, manuring, irrigation, harvesting, and yield. These points are today we discuss one by first introduction of lemongrass. East Indies lemongrass, that is name of lemongrass, that is botanical name is Cymbopogon flexuosus. Its origin India, Kerala. West Indian lemongrass, botanical name Cymbopogon pendulus. Origin Malaya, Sri Lanka. Family Poaceae. Plant part uses leaves. Then uses of lemongrass. The leaves of lemongrass are used as a lemon flavor ingredient in herbal tea, other formulation of Asian cooking. Then second, chief constituent of the oil is a citral, a starting material for preparation of alpha ion used in perfume, flavor and cosmetic industries. Third point, oil is used in culinary flavoring in alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, candy baked foods. Fourth, oil has bactericidal, insect repellent, mosquito repellent and medicinal uses. Then some other uses of lemongrass, that is clean the kidney, liver, pancreas, digestive tract and bladders, kill cancer cell, blood pressure, flu and cold, detoxify, painkiller, trace, gut, fever, digestion, loss of weight, antioxidant, diarrhea and stomach, antibacterial and antifungal property. Okay. Then main use of in general we today use the in today's daily life they act as a use for the herbal tree and also use for a mosquito repellent property in a see the image of lemongrass, the leaves and extract of lemongrass. Then some important varieties of lemongrass. First Pragati and also LS-48, Sugandhi OD-19, SD-68, Kaveri, Krishna. These are the important cultivars of lemongrass. We explain one by one. First, we discuss the Pragati cultivar. It is released by climate, that is Lucknow, through clonal selection from OD-19 suitable for North Indian plains and Tabai bed. Okay. Then on an average yield of Pragati cultivar is that is oil content is 0.63% with 86% of citral oil. Second one, Sugandhi, released by MASR Orai Kali, that is most popular variety suitable for wide range of soil and climatic condition. Harvest yield is 50 tons per hectare. Oil yield is 80 to 85 kg per hectare. Citral content, that is 80 to 85%. The soil, it requires hardy and drought resistant, or it is a very hardy and drought resistant crop, can be grown on wide range of soil from which loamy to poor lateral soils is good. Well drained soil, acidic, loamy, medium to high fertile soil are ideal for cultivation of lemongrass. Optimum range of pH, that is 4.5 to 7.5, cannot be grown in calcareous and waterlogged soil for the cultivation of lemongrass. Then climate, it is a tropical crop. That is it love plenty sunshine, humid climate. Rainfall it ranges in between 250 to 300 millimeter within uniform distribution of water. Grown mainly as a rain feed crop. Day temperature ranges in between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. It is optimum for maximum production oil content in a lemongrass. Next important point is a propagation. Both the lemongrass is propagated by both by seed and vegetative means through slips. Slips is propagated or propagation is better as compared to the seed. Seed propagation covers larger area as compared to the, okay, see the image of lemongrass. Then these are second image. We see the root growth of lemongrass. Then they increase the root growth of lemongrass. Okay, these are the whole lemongrass crop ready for transplanting into the main field because roots are well developed. Then propagation by slips. Mature clumps is divided into slips. Slips are treated with IBA for early rooting initiation. Then rooted slips are used for propagation. These are the important points regarding the propagation of lemongrass. Then next, manuring. A fertilizer dose of 100 as to 50 as to 50 kg NPK per hectare per year. N-P and K are applied as a basal dose. Nitrogen is applied as 2 to 3 split, first as 30 days after sowing and remaining after each harvest. Then irrigation. High rainfall, well distributed areas does not require irrigation. In dry and low rainfall area, irrigate the crop on alternate day up to 1 month after planting, and then 7 to 10 days interval irrigation is given. Then next important point is harvesting. Grass, that is lemongrass, is harvested after the evaporation of night drops from the grass, and the wet grass, if the grass is wet, they may be fermented earlier. The first harvesting is done in 5 to 6 months under Hyderabad condition, and 90 to 100 days are required, that is 3 months under the Kerala condition. Subsequent cuttings are given within 3 to 4 months. 3 cuttings are taken in a first year. See the image here, they see the harvesting of lemongrass above the ground level, that is 15 to 20 centimeter. With the help of sharp sickle we cut the lemongrass, okay, and prepare small bundles and dry gunny bags we kept here, see, and to improve the quality of lemongrass, to increase the keeping quality of lemongrass, okay, to see the image. Then we prepare small chips of the lemongrass by chopping method and pack in a polythene bag and send to the market also. See the small pieces of the lemongrass by using the chopping method, and they are used for the preparation of herbal tea and different raw material to the different food industries. Last important point, that is yield. It gives 80 to 100 kg oil per year per hectare under rain-fed condition, and 150 to 200 kg oil per year per hectare in irrigated condition. Yield increases from the first year to fourth year. Yield varies from season to season and age of the crop. Oil constituents of lemongrass, that is citral oil, 80 to 85%. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all of you.